The Iron Emu's packed. We're heading away for the weekend. Maiden voyage, if you will, or at least a shakedown trip. I've had a big week. I need some sleep. Looking forward to having a good rest in the swag. I'm getting better at the scramble to get ready to go camping, but it's been a few months. I'm a bit out of practice. Let's go have some fun. The car's driving really nice. Just pulled up at our meeting spot. It's Matt over there, so we got travelling with Paul in his FJ Cruiser and Matt, another friend from work, in his patrol. Pulled up at the meeting spot, the Bunyip Cemetery, the absolute dead centre of Bunyip.
Awesome weather.
Yeah. Get it at 5:10.
Hello, here he is, he exists. While chasing the sunlight, we hit our first bit of fun, just getting into camp.
Yeah,
Just stick to these ones?
I didn't go through here, I went down there.
Oh. This could be tough at 40 psi. Or is this a lot? Nah, that looks really wet. I'll just wash out there, won't I?
You should be able to go straight over that. This is pretty grippy.
Yeah. Time to collect some firewood.
Even here, Steve. Right, Paul, out of the way. Rolling manoeuvre. Oh, no, don't turn.
Got some kindling. Yeah, yeah.
Mind you use that battery for other things, I guess.
should hear the bird life down here. It is phenomenal. It's 10 to 7 a.m. springtime, beautiful sunny day to come, we believe. Yeah, Victoria has the most magical riverside camp spots that aren't marked on a map, big enough for multiple vehicles. Wow. Sorry, I should have done a test voice before I started talking this morning. Out there with Dan Uncut.
Lots of camp spots along through there, out to the McAllister Gorge. Natural features and Scenic Reserve.
Gorgeous. Sounds good.
Did you want to visit Walhalla?
Yeah, we'll go through there and check it out.
These ferns make for a really nice canopy to sleep under. Nice and grassy ground with cover above you. We were wondering whether these big bits here, whether these might fall on you. But I think if you keep your mesh done up, you'll probably be alright. Turns out getting out is going to be just as much fun as coming in. A bit of manoeuvring here, but I was confident I would get out. No lockers, all-terrain tyres, and a drive out of practice. We soon came across the iconic Bruntons Bridge. There's even a picture of it on the cover of my rooftop map. and after that, a straightforward run into Walhalla. We popped out onto the main road right at the info board at the south end of town. Walhalla was founded in the mid-1800s and became a booming gold mining town for about 40 years. Over 4,000 people lived here once, but now a mere 20 or 30 people. It's a beautiful tourist town with a rich history to explore and really just a few hours from Melbourne CBD. I read that to accommodate the large population, houses were built in peculiar ways elevated on the surrounding slopes. The main town was central to this, at the lowest point, weaving through the valley along a main road running north-south, just like it is today. Just after we were here, Walhalla's famous Star Hotel was painted green for the Hollywood film set of Ice Road 2, starring Liam Neeson, an Aussie pub framed to look like a Nepalese village. I reckon days up here with this beautiful weather would be few and far between. Start of spring, flowers are in bloom. I reckon I could do half-hour video just of beautiful shots walking the main street of Walhalla. But we're going to keep moving, get in our vehicles, and we're going to head deep into the bush somewhere. In particular, the cherry blossoms at the CFA were just spectacular. The dead centre of Walhalla.
Get abused for parking terribly.
When we pulled up, Matt parked very loosely. There was no one else here, and we didn't know we were going to go for a walk, but we did, and we came back, and the car park's full. Now Matt's parking. He looks like a bit of a deal. I wonder whether the good people of Walhalla can subscribe to Amazon Prime and get next day delivery. Maybe not. We set our sights north into the scrub, zigzagging toward Burgoyne Gap Track and the beautiful McAllister River. Join us then for more adventure. Subscribe. See you soon.